Students, I am Pushparaj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Basic Science Department from Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. I am going to present a presentation on topic triple integral. First, what is triple integration? If fx, y, z be a function of the independent variable x, y and z defined at every point in a closed and bounded region V of three-dimensional space, then the triple integral of fx, y, z in region V is denoted by triple integration V fx, y, z dx, dy, dz. In other words, if the region V is bounded by x equal to x1 to x equal to y x2 and y equal to y1 to y equal to y2 and z equal to z1 to z equal to z2, then the integral becomes this. Evaluation of triple integral. If V is described that all the limits are constant, then the order of integration is immaterial, provided the limits are changed accordingly. Thus, triple integration this can be written as this. Case second, if V is described as limits of x is a1 to a2, y is f1 x to f2 x and z is phi1 xy to phi2 xy, then the integral becomes this. If V is described as y lies between b1 to b2, x lies between f1 y to f2 y and z lies between phi1 xy to phi2 xy, then the integral becomes this. Application of triple integral. We can evaluate volume of any solid by using triple integration. Triple integration can be changed Cartesian to cylindrical coordinate, and here x can be written as r cos theta, y can be r sin theta, z remains same, and dx dy dz can be written as r dr d theta dz, where tan theta is y by x and r is under root x square plus y square and z as a z. We can change triple integration Cartesian to spherical coordinate. Here x can be written as r sin theta cos phi, y can be written as r sin theta sin phi, and z can be written as r cos theta, and dx dy dz can be written as r square sin theta dr d theta d phi, where tan theta is under root x square plus y square upon z, tan phi is y by x and r is under root x square plus y square plus z square, and limits are phi lies between 0 to 2 pi, theta lies between 0 to pi, and r is always positive. Question first, evaluate triple integration minus 1 to 1, 0 to z, x minus z to x plus z, x plus y plus z dx dy dz. Here we integrate this integral first with respect to y, and integral becomes this x plus zy plus y square upon 2 x minus z to x plus z. After solving this, we integrate this integral with respect to x, and we have this x square z plus x z square, and limits are 0 to z dz. And after solving this, 2 twice integration minus 1 to 1 z cube plus z cube dz, and last integrate with respect to z, we have 0, then the value of this triple integration is 0. Come to next question. Evaluate 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x minus y, x, y, z, dz, dy, dx. Consider the integral I and integrate this first with respect to z, and integration of x, y, z is x, y is constant here, and integration of z is z square by 2. Apply limits 1 minus x minus y and 0. We have this, and after that we integrate this integral with respect to y and apply limits of y, that is we have this, and after that we integrate this with respect to dx, that is 1 upon 24, 0 to 1 x 1 minus x4, putting 1 minus x equal to t, dx equal to minus dt, and the integral becomes 1 upon 24, 1 to 0, 1 minus t, t to the power 4 minus dt, that is 1 upon 24 integration 0 to 1, because we can return integration a to b is minus b to a. So according to this we can return this, and after solving this we have answer 1 upon 720. Next question, evaluate integration 0 to 3, 0 to 2, 0 to 1 x plus y plus z dx dy dz. First we integrate this with respect to z and apply limits of z, then integrate with respect to y, and after that we integrate with respect to x, and we have answer is 18. These are the question, students. You all have to do this question first, second, third and fourth. Thank you for listening this lecture.